In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows 11 or 10 in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in and make sure we leave no trace of Discord on your system. First, to kick things off, you need to access the Programs and Features window. To do this, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. In that box, type appwiz.cpl without the quotes, and then hit Enter. As soon as you do this, you'll see a new window popping up. This window is your Programs and Features list, where all installed applications are conveniently displayed. Next, you'll want to find Discord in this list. Once you spot it, right-click on Discord and choose Uninstall. This step will begin the uninstallation process. It might take a few moments to complete, so be patient as your computer works through removing the main part of Discord. Now that we've removed the core application, there are still some residual files that need to be deleted to ensure a complete uninstallation. Press the Windows key and R again to bring up that handy Run dialog box. This time, type in %appdata% with no quotes and press Enter. Doing so will take you to the App Data folder, where many programs store various data and settings. Inside this App Data folder, you should see a folder named Discord. What you need to do is delete this folder entirely. Just right-click on the Discord folder and select Delete. By removing this, you're essentially erasing the leftover data Discord had stored. We're getting closer to the end now. Once again, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. In the new Run dialog box that appears, type %localappdata% this time, without quotes, and hit Enter. This will open another section of the App Data directory. Here you'll find another Discord folder, which also needs to be deleted. As you did before, right-click on the Discord folder you find here and choose Delete. Finally, to wrap things up and ensure everything is properly removed, you'll need to restart your PC. This step is crucial as it helps refresh your system and make sure any cached files are cleared out. So, go ahead, restart your computer, and when it boots back up, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully uninstalled Discord from your Windows 11 or 10 PC. It's a clean removal, ensuring that Discord is no longer taking up space or resources. I hope this was helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.